from Out of the Rain, the 10th episode of Series 2, is written by Peter J. Hammond, and it's starring John Barrowman, Eve Miles, Burton Gorman, Norako Mori and Gareth David Lloyd. So the episode begins with the Joshua J. travelling show. Everyone gets invited by Ghostmaker to circus, but when the mother looks behind and then look back, everything vanishes, which is spooky. I'm liking this. So the local Cardiff residents transform an old cinema, the Electro, into a local history museum airing an old celluloid movies as part of its exhibits. I think it's great to have cinema where we can watch 1920s and 30s and old movies. So the film starts to play up. We get a scary bit with Ghostmaker doing that and Captain Jack shooting himself in the head twice, as it seems, and the machine won't switch off. Jack admits that he was once part of such a show as The Man Who Could Not Die, and describes one trope known as the Night Travellers. So the Ghostmaker and Pearl sees a woman at the bus stop and puts her every last breath in the flask, which is scary. Ghostmaker was the leader of the Night Travellers and he has a girlfriend, Pearl. I think Camilla Power and Julian Bleach, who later played Davros in Doctor Who, are so good in this. I'd shit myself if I see them in the street. So while the Torchwood sees a petrified looking woman, Ghostmaker and Pearl decide to take the breath out of the owner of Winster Cafe. The Torchwood looks at the short film and Jack tells them about the Night Travellers. All a Ghostmaker and Pearl does is just take every breath out of the victims, and an old lady, Christina, explains to Jack and Yanto about the Night Travellers. And in the early 20th century, her family got taken and she was confronted by Ghostmaker and Pearl but managed to escape. And because of her severe phobia of travelling shows, she got put into psychiatric hospital. By the way, that attic looks pretty familiar. So while the team investigates, Ghostmaker decides to release his mate out of the film, which is scary. Because Owen has no breath, he's no use to Ghostmaker. So Ianto took the little flask from him and ran off. So Jack rips open the camera and exposes the film to sunlight, effectively exorcising the ghosts. The effects is nicely done. So in the end, Jack gave the last victim his breath back, as they did with everybody. The team believe that the threat is over, but Jack says there may be more reels of the Night Travellers and we have people buying car boot sale. So, that's a creepy and interesting episode. What do you guys think of From Out of the Rain? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.